Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and another room makeover. This time it's my big bedroom makeover. I ended up filming this really differently to the other ones and it's a lot shorter, so let me know if you like this type of content. These pictures on screen are all past iterations of what this room used to be like. It's gone from dark and drab to very bright white and actually a little boring. But now this is what the room looks like and it's okay. There's a little bit of personality, but I do want to change it up a bit. So let's go. Previously, the only storage in this room were these drawers and that rail that you saw me take away, and it's not really enough. So I switched it out for these IKEA storage system. It's got some baskets and rails for hanging storage. Of course I did it the wrong way around. And after fixing my blooper, I went on to creating this surround because I didn't want the storage system to just be out there. I wanted it to be actually sort of enclosed because I am starting to like more and more the idea of closed storage. This is looking great. It's taking me fucking forever. I created the surround using some leftover bits of wood that I had. So you can see the acoustic paneling, that is what I used in the small bedroom makeover. And an offcut of the shelves for the top. And then I added an offcut of the curtain rail that I put in my living room makeover and added a really beautiful pink curtain to it. And the theme of this room is obviously pink and green. Actually, the theme of the whole apartment is pink and green. And that was that for the wardrobe area. I moved back over to the desk area. I actually made this desk a long time ago, but I wanted to create like a makeup station. So not only is there a mirror opposite, there is also a mirror on the desk itself. I added some bright lights, which is perfect for when you want to do your makeup. And then I brought back in those drawers just in case for extra storage and added a mirror above it because you can never have too many mirrors. There's actually 5 mirrors in this room alone. For the focal wall behind the bed, I ended up repainting it a darker green, still green, but a darker green. And I just think it gives the room a little bit more depth and looks a little bit more intentional. I also changed out the curtain to match the curtain on the wardrobe. And I started adding in these headboards that you would have seen in the living room makeover. It's actually a headboard, but in the living room I used it as a backrest. A little dance break. Obviously. I moved the bed back into place and don't worry, I will make it later. And then I made these side tables. I know it's wonky, don't worry, but it looks cute. And I bought these little lampshades from Sklum and I really, really love them. I put one on either side of the bed. Put some art up. Made the bed. Told you I'd make it. I got this tray from IKEA and you might recognise that I have the orange one in the living room. And obviously this wasn't a massive makeover, right? It was a few intentional choices and changes I made to align more with the rest of the apartment and how I wanted to experience this room. And this is what it turned out like. I hope this short makeover inspires you to make a few changes to your space to help you make the most out of it and get the most enjoyment. Because we spend a lot of time in and money on our homes, so why not make it into something that we really love to be in? Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!